अथ आत्मज्ञानारम्भम्। अहं जीवतत्त्वस्य माता. Aham means I, myself. This is how our inner self-consciousness communicates with us. So aham jiva-tattvasya. Jiva-tattva is the soul material. The material that makes the soul of any living being. So aham jiva tattvasya mata. Mata is mother, the creator, the one who produces something. And that means the soul consciousness is saying that it is the creator of the soul material. Aham sarva vishwasya trata. Sarva means entire, in totality. Vishwasya, Vishwa is the universe. And Trata means protector or sustainer. So this self-consciousness, which is addressing itself as I, Aham, says, Aham sarva vishwasya trata, means I am the protector and sustainer of the entire universe. That means the soul consciousness which created the soul material and individual souls, the total soul consciousness which created the individual souls as its own representation, has also been sustaining the entire universe. That is what it says. This is how, while trying to answer the simple question, Koham, who am I, asked by an inquisitive self of any individual, the inner self-consciousness is explaining quite lucidly, quite clearly about various aspects it has and various ways in which it is working in the universe. And this is just the beginning of self-knowledge. In the beginning of self-knowledge, we have to understand that the consciousness that we have, the consciousness with which we think, the consciousness with which we ask the questions, the consciousness with which we doubt, that means the consciousness that we consider to be our identity. Such consciousness is nothing else but the reflection of the universal consciousness, and that means all the powers of universal consciousness are within this consciousness, hidden within this consciousness, and it is only awaiting to be awakened. And that is where, in order to know the immense inner abilities that the consciousness of every individual has, all these words are given. Aham jiva tattvasya mata. The inner consciousness has even created the material that makes the soul. Now, what exactly do we mean by material of the soul? Because we all feel that soul is something which is subtle and it does not have existence, physical existence. But that is not the case. Everything, every object in the entire universe has got two types of existences. One is material and one is non-material. So non-material existence is this consciousness. That is the consciousness of Purusha Tattva. And the material existence is the Prakriti Tattva. So even the Prakriti Tattva of the soul, material, that means which type of Prakriti Tattva is to be used for the soul material, is determined by this soul consciousness. And I would definitely say one thing, that we all might be knowing. We know about the existence, or the matter has got three stages. Which was solid, liquid, gas. Everybody knows that. But the stage between solid and liquid, of course we know, that is called viscous, which is like honey or mercury, which is not 100% solid, which is not 100% liquid. And exactly like that, the stage between liquid and gas is called plasma. And it is in this plasma material, or in this plasma state, that the soul material exists. And that is the reason why the soul material is always translucent. It has illumination. It is not 100% transparent, but it is not 100% opaque also. And aham jiva tattvasya mata. The soul consciousness says, I am the creator of this jiva tattva. And also, I am aham sarva vishwasya trata. I am the one who is sustaining the entire universe with my single thought. And that is how we will say, we will understand, we must realize that even our surroundings, what happens around us, knowingly or unknowingly, is created and sustained by how we think. And this is a small hint given to every person to know how one can modify his universe. So aham jiva tattvasya mata, aham sarva vishwasya trata. This is how it is.